Have you ever pondered how technology is revolutionizing the art world? As we journey through the 21st century, we are witnessing a fascinating convergence of art and technology. It's a thrilling dance, with each partner gracefully influencing the other, leading to a breathtaking spectacle that is transforming our perception of art. Technology, once seen merely as a tool, has evolved to become an integral part of the creative process. It's no longer just about the paintbrush, the canvas, or the chisel. Rather, it's about 3D printers, virtual reality headsets, and artificial intelligence algorithms. These innovative tools are pushing the boundaries of creativity, allowing artists to explore new frontiers of expression and interaction. What's truly fascinating is how this blending of art and technology is not just changing the way art is created, but also how it is experienced. With the rise of digital platforms, art has become more accessible and interactive. You can now tour world-class museums from your living room, participate in immersive art installations, or even create your own masterpiece using a digital app. But it's not just about the high-tech gadgets and gizmos. The intersection of art and technology is also inspiring a new wave of artistic expression that reflects our digital age. We see this in the rise of pixel art, glitch art, and data visualization, where artists use the language of technology to comment on our increasingly digitized lives. The transformation that technology has brought to the art world is profound. It has opened up a world of possibilities, inspiring artists to push the boundaries of their imagination. It has democratized art, making it accessible to more people. And most importantly, it has made art a more interactive and immersive experience, connecting us to art in ways we never thought possible. So as we stand at this exciting intersection of art and technology, we invite you to join us on this journey of exploration. Now, let's dive into 7 fantastic art technologies that are making life better. First on our list is the marvel of 3D printing. This ingenious technology is rewriting the rules of artistry, bringing a whole new dimension to the creative process. It's like having a magic wand that materializes your wildest imaginations into tangible reality. Now let's take sculpture, for instance. Traditional methods can be time-consuming and require a high level of skill. But with 3D printing, artists can create intricate designs with a few clicks, saving time and expanding creative boundaries. Then, there's the world of installations. Here, 3D printing allows for the creation of complex, large-scale works that would have been nearly impossible to achieve by hand. It's like seeing your dreams come to life piece by piece. And let's not forget jewelry design. This technology has opened up a realm of possibilities for customization, enabling artists to create pieces that are as unique as the individuals who wear them. Imagine the possibilities when every artist can become a manufacturer. Next up is the immersive world of virtual reality art. This groundbreaking technology has opened up new horizons for artists, allowing them to craft experiences that envelop their audience completely. Imagine stepping into a painting, walking around a sculpture, or even becoming a part of a performance piece. That's the magic that virtual reality brings to the table. Beyond the physical, VR bridges the gap between the artist and the viewer in a way that was previously unimaginable. It provides a new medium for storytelling where narratives unfold around you, creating a unique bond between the art and its audience. It's like a conversation, but instead of words, you're using feelings and emotions. This technology is not just about viewing art, it's about experiencing it. It's about stepping into the mind of the artist and seeing their vision come to life all around you. With VR, art is no longer confined to physical spaces. Third on our list is the fascinating realm of augmented reality art. This technology has the power to blend the world of art with our everyday reality, creating an immersive, interactive experience unlike anything else. It's like having a pair of magical glasses that reveal hidden layers of beauty and creativity around us. Imagine walking through your city park and seeing a vibrant, dynamic art exhibition that exists only through the lens of your smartphone. Or consider visiting a museum where the artwork comes alive, telling its own story as you approach. With augmented reality,
Art isn't just confined to galleries or museums, it can be everywhere and anywhere. This revolutionary technology has opened up new avenues for public art, exhibitions and installations, making art more accessible than ever before. It allows artists to interact with viewers in real time, adding a new dimension to the art viewing experience. AR has the power to turn the entire world into an art gallery.
Fourth on our list is the intriguing fusion of art and artificial intelligence. This dynamic duo has been stirring up the art world in recent years. AI, with its ability to learn and adapt, is being used to create art that's not only aesthetically appealing, but also incredibly complex. Some AI programs can analyze thousands of artistic pieces, learn their styles, and then generate new artworks that echo these styles, while others can create entirely unique pieces, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Yet, this fusion of art and AI has sparked a debate. Is AI just a tool that artists can use to enhance their work? Or can AI itself truly be considered an artist? And if so, what does this mean for the human artist? These questions are still hotly debated, but one thing is clear. The potential of AI in generating new forms of art is vast. As AI continues to evolve, the boundaries of art are set to expand. Fifth on our list is the innovative technique of digital sculpting. This technology is revolutionizing the way we create and perceive sculpture art. Think about it. Artists can now mold and shape their creations in a virtual environment, free from the constraints of physical materials. No need for stone, clay, or metal. The only limit is the artist's imagination. This is not just confined to the art world. Digital sculpting has a profound impact on the animation, gaming, and film industries. It's the backbone of creating realistic characters and stunning environments. It's the magic that brings our beloved animated characters to life, and the wizardry behind the striking visuals in video games and films. The flexibility that digital sculpting offers artists is unparalleled. It enables them to experiment with form and material in ways that were unthinkable in traditional sculpting. From abstract forms to hyper-realistic figures, the possibilities are endless. Digital sculpting is reshaping the world of sculpture. Sixth on our list is the enchanting world of light art. This form of artistry takes a medium we interact with daily, light, and transforms it into a captivating spectacle. Artists are harnessing the power of light, bending and shaping it to create installations that dazzle, performances that mesmerize, and digital art that pushes the boundaries of creativity. Imagine walking into a space, bathed in a kaleidoscope of color and pattern, where light dances off every surface and seems to breathe life into the room. This is the magic of light art installations. Or picture a performance where artists manipulate light, creating a mesmerizing ballet of color and movement. Even the realm of digital art is being illuminated by this medium, with artists using light to create virtual landscapes and ethereal experiences. The potential of light art is limitless. It's immersive, transformative, and offers a new lens through which to explore artistic expression. Light art is illuminating the path to new artistic expressions. Last but not least on our list is the intriguing field of BioArt. This form of artistic expression is where biology and biotechnology become the canvas and the paintbrush, creating a fusion that is as profound as it is fascinating. BioArt in its essence is all about utilizing living tissues, bacteria, and life processes to craft works of art. It's essentially the marriage of science and art, with artists often collaborating with scientists to create these living masterpieces. The impact of BioArt extends far beyond the aesthetic. It allows us to explore life and nature in a completely new dimension, offering a unique perspective on what it means to be alive. It provokes thought and opens up a dialogue about the very essence of life, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the living world around us. With BioArt, we can witness the beauty of life processes, from the growth of cells to the intricate structures of DNA, all captured in artistic form. The art becomes a living, breathing entity, evolving and changing with time, just like the biological processes it represents. However, as with any groundbreaking field, BioArt raises a number of ethical and philosophical questions. Should artists be allowed to manipulate life in the name of art? Where do we draw the line between creativity and playing God? These are debates that continue to challenge us, pushing the boundaries of what is acceptable and what is not. Despite these concerns, BioArt continues to thrive and evolve, pushing the boundaries of both art and science. It is a testament to human creativity and our relentless pursuit of understanding the world around us. It's a field that invites us to contemplate, to question, and to marvel at the beauty of life in all its forms. In conclusion, BioArt is not merely an artistic trend, but a revolutionary movement that is blurring the lines between art, science, and life itself. It's a world where creativity meets biology, where art and life become one. BioArt is blurring the lines between art, science, and life itself. Thank you for watching.